we about to start?
Yes. Number one.
To your first question, the answer is simple. I don't know, you can call it inspiration. I think what drives, in my case, what drove me to write was because I felt I had something to share with a particular audience, like the OFWs, about how to handle their money. And I could see I could make a difference. It's a very simple objection that I had. I was talking with them, seminars. I felt I had to put it in writing in a more organized way to be able to better educate. That's the main focus. So that's why I wrote the book. And I felt that the reason why I felt the urgency was because I saw the kind of difficulties they had, which could be corrected by a simple mindset, change in mindset. That's what I wrote. Why is it that you're interested in
talking about money or economics?
Because to me, money is in this world. Nothing moves without money. And yet, it is an obligation, and I think in our life, every single person has the obligation to make money, to build wealth, because of one principle. One, we're in a market-driven economy. What you get is what you work for. We're not a socialist or communist society. What we need, government gives us. So, to each according to his deeds, not to each according to his needs. If you accept that principle, then you must accept that you cannot share what you don't have, as a basic principle. And before you want to share, you have to first take care of yourself. And that's what money or economics is all about. Unfortunately, 98% of us make money to spend. We don't make money for a purpose, except to spend and enjoy a lifestyle. We don't prepare for ourselves. We don't pay ourselves for our future. So that's why I said I have to talk about the basics. Why the world goes round. What makes us eat, what makes us work, etc. So that's the foundation of the principles I talked about.
Number 3. Do you have certain techniques to attract readers' attention?
Yes, I wanted to be able to write it in a very, not so literary form, but in conversational form and anecdotal, so that the reader could relate to what I'm saying and not look at me as an author